bath time or just absolutely running around so they don't have to take a bath to loving bath time and making it like it's pool time or beach time and they come running to take a bath and don't want to get out, right? Oh, isn't that a dream come true? So we are going to shoot those 10 ideas right at you right now. Get that paper and pencil and make sure that you like and subscribe to the OT Life Hacker channel. And if you want more videos on kids interventions, make sure you let us know in the comments below. And to those of you who requested this video on bath time and bath suggestions, thank you for that, because it is thanks to you that this video is now about to exist. Okay, so a big thing overall that you're going to find as I talk about this is bath time is meant also to be a time to enjoy for you and for the child, because it's part of the relationship building for you and the child. It's a bonding time. So we want to make this a pleasant time for both of you. And what you'll find could be a sensory regulation issue for your child. Maybe they don't like certain sounds, certain feelings, certain things, lighting, what have you, and we're going to talk more about that. But also, if you want a video on why your child is not liking bath time, what's going on, I will put, if you're interested, you have to like and subscribe and make sure that you comment below if you want that. Then I will put that, another video, and put the link, put the link in the description box for you guys. Alright, so let us get started. Number one is what you'll see a lot on YouTube, singing songs. So you can find many different songs on YouTube for bath time, and that's great. We are going to talk about that just in this number one. And we're going to talk about so much more than that too. So, singing songs is a great way to do it. And one of the songs you can, songs you can try are even like onomatopoeia songs. So sounds. Because especially if you're working on communication with the kids, you can say, like, if there's bubbles, you can be like, ba, 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 bubbles, ba, 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 bubbles. So they can see your mouth moving, they can hear, they can see your like, ba, 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 ba. So you're putting together many different senses and helping to integrate that for them, because maybe they're not strong in visual cues, or maybe they're not strong in the sounds just yet, especially if they're learning how to comprehend what you're saying. Then you want to put in more things for them. Show them the bubble, hold the bubble machine or whatever you're using, so that they can see it. And if you want a video on communication with your kids, do let me know in the comments below as well. If your child has a really hard time, such as they're screaming while they're bathing and seem completely averse, when you bathe yourself, so listen how I said that. When you bathe yourself, leave the door open. So that, I mean, of course, culturally, if you're comfortable with that, right? But what I suggest to many parents is leave the door open so they can observe and they can see that, well, my role model here, my parents, they're doing it, and look, they look fine as they do it. So you're giving them the opportunity to just observe you, to see what bath time is about, versus them just having to be tossed in the water and take a bath themselves. That can be a bit traumatizing, right? Especially when the kids are learning how to even process everything that's going on around them. We may think it's so easy and so simple, but especially for children with autism or even ADHD, even just even just kids who have normal processing, it's still tough. They're still learning so much. And remember, kids are all on different learning grades, different learning spectrums. So it might be that they better relate to if they're watching you, or if they're hearing it and they don't have to be in it. And then they'll learn, oh, well, that's bath time, that's something I have to do. And they'll become more comfortable when they have to do it because they see someone else do it, they hear what it's like, They're experiencing it in their senses without being thrown into it. And you can also, so the other thing here, when I said senses, like sound, sing when you're taking a bath. Sing loudly and proudly, guys. Even sing the ba ba bath time, ba ba bubbles, scrub 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 along everywhere, or whatever you want to sing. Sing it for yourself and then sing it for them, because that consistency and that repetition gets them. They get the buy-in, they get the interest where they're like, oh, that's what mom does with me. So maybe she's not trying to trick me. Maybe it's something that is just common where she's even doing it for herself, so it must be safe. So you are modeling, you are trying to get their interest too by making it happy, singing, and they might even come by and watch you and sing along. They'll be like, ah, ba, ba, bath time. And number two is you can put in different colored mats. So that can make the water appear a different color. Maybe they don't like the color of the water, or they don't like that it looks like there's nothing in there, and they just come into some feeling of, oh my gosh, something's really cold, something's really warm, or it just feels all weird onto their skin. They need preparation. You need to cue them that, hey, you're hopping in water, you're going in the bathtub, there's water in there. If you just put them in and they're like, oh, what the heck is this? That's traumatizing, guys. No. You can put in some mats that are different colors, so you can be like, ooh, look at that blue water. And you can even, you guys know me by now, hopefully. I mean, especially for you guys who are following me, that I'm all about giving the kids autonomy. Give them choices. Let them make the decisions for themselves. You're doing them a favor by building their executive functioning for making decisions, problem solving, and coping. And so if you give them choices before you even start the bath, you can say, okay, we're getting ready for bath time. Which one do you want today? Do you want the red lava? And again, make it fun for them, guys. Be silly with them. So give them names. Instead of saying red, you can say the lava, or you can say the red lava, the blue ocean, the yellow banana, all the different colors, or like I would say keep it to 3 different colors each time, because it might be exciting. Every day is a little bit different, a little spice to their life, right? Seeing, ooh, there's a new color today. And they can get excited for that and look forward to that. So make it something that they can build incentive over as well. All right, so the other thing is, so I also want to add in that these mats might be good for keeping them from slipping. If it is like the non-slip mats, that's great. Now, if you choose to use, say for example, cellophane, you know, the very light material and the shiny one, I mean, that's great. It's got the shine material, and that's why sometimes I tell parents, go ahead and use that. And then you can make it like the ocean, like there's sand under, so you put the yellow and orangish, goldish looking colors, and you put it in, and it makes it look like there's sand under there. And they're like, ooh, that's fun, and try to play with it. And you can get a bucket, and they can scoop it up. And there's just so many ideas, guys, especially if your kids are adamant that they are not going in the water, and you are teaching them how to explore the water. You can have the cellophane in the water and then have a bucket and scoop it up, bring it to them and show them, and they'll be like, oh, what's that? And then rush over back to the bathtub, put it in, and they'll come over attracted to that and be like, what is that? And then you can let them play with it themselves, so they don't have to be in the water yet. You're letting them play with it. And now, if anyone wants a video on the different transitions for getting them to break the fear of taking a bath, where they absolutely hate taking a bath, and you're trying to make it so that they're more interested